Today we're going to go over how to draw a polar bear. So let's get started, okay? It's real simple, real easy, and you'll be able to do it. So right off the bat, I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a kind of flat portion of the polar bear's head right there. Right there. Kind of just flat. Make it easy there. Real simple. All right. Then we're going to go over here. We're going to curve down on this side for kind of the front of the head. Go over here now. Pulling out right there for the snout area. Curve around the corner over here, down. Pull up. Over here, down over here. Pull up over there, curve right there. So that's for the mouth, right? So you have the mouth pretty instant. Curve over here, up. Down, in. Right there. Down over here, up. Keep pulling over there. Let's go over here to the back. Over here on the far end, we're going to start drawing the ears. So we're going to go over here, out, down. Over here on this side, we're going to draw the ear on this side. Out, down, line. Cool, cool. Let's go over here for the eyes. We're going to go over here and draw a curve right there for one eye. Curve over there for the other eye. Line underneath. Curve. Fill this out. Curve. Fill this out. Now we're going to go over here. We're going to take care of the front of the face right here. Right there. We're going to have a triangular nose. And we can fill that in as well. Cool, cool. Let's go over here, pulling up, down, for kind of the back area. Gonna go over here, curve right here for the front. And what you can do is you can kind of draw the side over here of the face. I'm going to lengthen this line a little bit here. Alright, let's go over here now. We're going to get the legs down here, and we're going to pull downward, curve back. Kind of make all the paws one shape. Pulling up, line over there. Go over here in the front. Down over here for the back paw. Curve out over there, and making it one shape as well, like so, pulling it up. We're going to put a separation over here on the actual paws. And then we're going to go over here now. We're going to do the back. We're going to all the way to the edge of the page over here. He's got like a bigger backside, right, as most bears do. Cool, cool. Don't forget, by the way, say hi in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. I'm going to be going live all the time. I don't know if I announced that yet. I'm going to be going live constantly. So catch those lives when you can. Going to go over here now to the leg and curve right here. And we're going to go down. Go there. We're going to make that same shape over here. Curve back along this side, down. And we're going to draw the stomach over here. So I'm going to carry it through right there. There we go. Don't forget to hit the like button if you do like this. Definitely let me know. Line over here on that side. We'll add some stuff to the face in a second, but let's go over here on this side first. Curve down over here, up along that side, pulling up, and back. And let's kind of throw some split right there in the feet for, you know, the paw shape. It's going to kind of be obvious. So we're going to add a tail in the back there. It's going to go off the page a little bit, but I don't know, try to keep it on the page there. It's got a small tail right there. Good stuff. I'm going to pull a line upward a little bit here. And let's add some stuff into his face like I kind of promised here. We're going to go over here. We're going to curve on the top. Curve right there. For the we kind of these eyebrows to give him a little bit more expression, right? Like he's actually kind of got something going on, like he's thinking, like, hey, what's up? I kind of want to do that right there for him. Go over here, up, up. Line up over here, line up around there for the ear area. Right on. And what I want to do now is you can add little details everywhere. Like you can draw like maybe little lines over here, little tiny lines where, maybe lines here on the joint area for like fuzz. You can draw little thin lines along the edge, right, to make it look fuzzier, right? You can do it everywhere, or just a couple of select places right here. Or what I'm going to do here is you can draw a thick line around the outside of everything. And that's going to give it a more chill, a more sticker-like look that can definitely work out there. Right? The sticker look just kind of makes things look more contained. It makes it look a little bit more chilled out. There we go. Downward right here. Sweet. There we go. And yeah, that's pretty good right there. Continue. Again, we're just kind of putting it on the outside. Think of it like if it was a silhouette, right? So one thing I want you to do is I want you to stay positive. I always say this. Stay positive with your drawing, and the more positive you are, you're going to become better, pretty much. Basically, as you're practicing, you're not going to get hung up on stuff as much, and you're going to really kind of learn to kind of believe in your own ability as you do that. And it's important to kind of keep the fun in it. So there you go. Thanks so much. If you like that, share the video if you can, and I'll talk to you in the next one. All right, stick around. Let's go on to the next drawing lesson right now.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.